Let me give me a second while I fix. Okay, so you can try to do like this, like kind of like this. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it would like warm up. And just wait until it heats up. And it might take a little longer, but it'll get the job done. So there's a life hack, how to make cup of noodles. Like I said, you can get a cup and fill it with hot water, and that's your next best thing to do. Or it'll take longer and heat up like this. I would love to hear your thoughts of how can you warm up a hot you can heat up top ramen, instant noodles, cup of noodles, Maruchan. I would love to hear your thoughts. There you have it.